Hi, Evan Aidman here to discuss statute of limitations deadlines. Every state has its own deadlines for filing different kinds of lawsuits. Personal injury lawsuits have one deadline. Contract case has a different deadline, and it varies from state to state. So you really have to know what the deadline is for your particular case. With personal injury cases, you want to make sure you file your lawsuit well in advance of the statute of limitations. You cannot wait until just before the deadline if you want to sleep well at night. I try to make sure my cases are in suit at least 6 months before the statute of limitations deadline to account for all of the various possible things that can go wrong. Corporations can be identified in many different ways. If you identify them in one way in the lawsuit and it turns out to be very much wrong and the statute of limitations passes, you may have committed malpractice. There are many other considerations such as venue. If you want to file, let's say in Philadelphia, but you don't see how you can get the suit to stay in Philadelphia, if you file well in advance of the statute of limitations deadline, let's say out in one of the suburban counties, and then you discover during the litigation that actually your defendant could have been served with the papers in Philadelphia, you can dismiss your suit, start a new one, and file it in Philadelphia. And that is a very big advantage and a very important reason why you don't want to wait until the last minute. For more on this, see my website, www.legalaidman.com.